All right, here we are, Facebook friends, my seniors. I'm at another apartment complex with my client again. We're almost at the decision-making process. So this is one called Buyers West Side, which is right off of North Side Drive. We just finished taking a tour of the unit. Of course, I didn't take pictures of the unit itself. Let me show you a little bit about the area. This is kind of like the common area coming in from the parking garage. The best thing about this one is that it does have covered parking. So you've got all of those levels where you can park on whatever level you have and go right into your apartment. It's security. And like I said, that's one of the big features about these apartments, that they do have really good security, secured access. This is the open area or the common area or an area where you can have guests. I wouldn't consider it the lobby, but it's a sitting area where you can bring your guests. You can sit in here, and we're just going to take a tour of this little area. I think that must be storage there, but like I said, it's a very nice facility. It's right off of North Side Drive. I'm going to take you outside. This is the sitting area where the office is. We're going to go outside. So you can see what the outside looks like. It's right off of North Side Drive. And that's the name of it. Is Bowers West Side Apartments. And the beauty of it is, like I said, for seniors, if you want to be in an area where you can walk to restaurants, walk to shopping, that's one of the main features. Yeah, you're off of North Side Drive, that's a busy street, but you don't have to access off of that street because there is a back side. And as you can see, all of the apartments also have balcony. So if you want any more information, again, this help for Helen. You want me to help you to plan your next journey and you're not able to get in. That's the other thing I'm finding out about most of these senior facilities, is that they have a long waiting list, at least about a year, wherein with the apartments you don't have that long of a waiting list because they're having somebody moving out almost every month. It's just a matter of which plan and what you want to be. This one does have 1, 2, and 3 bedroom access. So if you want more information, give me a call, 770-333-6383. Again, this is Helen Burgess, your senior real estate specialist, just giving you a different option. Have a good one for this.